What is up, guys, and welcome back. So now in this video we will be adding a first ever product. You can see that we have two tabs right now here, visit site and visit store. If I just go to visit site, you can see that I have the blog page as my home page. Okay, and then in the shop page here it should show all the products that we have right now. So here in the shop page it will show all the products. Let's add a product and let's see how it's gonna look. So we have two options to add a product. We can just come here and then we can hit add new, or we can just hover our mouse here and you can see it says product, so we can even click here as well, and it's going to redirect us to the add new page. Okay, so here we have to enter the product name. The product name that I would be entering would be my t-shirt for men. Okay, you can see that this is the product that I am going to add. This is my product name. Okay, and then I have the description of the product, so I can add any of the description. Let's go to the lipsum.com. Okay, and let's copy the whole of the feed that they give. So let's just hit generate lorem ipsum. Let's copy everything from here. I'm gonna copy this whole. Let's copy, let's come and let's paste it right now. So you can see this has been pasted right here. And then I have to access the categories. So we have the categories. These are created by already. Okay. And then the categories that I will be going up would be accessories, hoodies, or t-shirts. So I'll be selecting the each t-shirt. I can also add a new category by just clicking here. Okay. So here we have the tags right here. So I can enter the tags right here. And that is going to be t-shirt, men, trending, and 2017, and then I'm going to hit enter, and you can see these are added right here. So then I have to enter the product image, so you can also call it as featured image. So this will be the featured image for this product that is going to appear. Now I want to grab the product image, so let's just go ahead and let's add the product image. I'm going to go to t-shirts. Okay, and let's just grab some image. So I'm just gonna come here to the image right here, and you can see this is the image right here, or this, or this, or this, or let's just go ahead and let's just grab this image. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna hit view image. You can see the image is right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit save image as. So this image is going to be saved. I'm gonna go to here and I'm gonna save it in the desktop. So you can see this has been saved. I'm going to come here. I'm going to hit set product image. I want to drag this and I want to drop it right here. So you can see this is exactly same. Okay, this is uploading. Once this is uploaded, I'm going to hit set product image. This product image is going to be set. I can also add the product gallery images. So if you want to show more of these shirts, like if you want to show a different angle of the shirt, that the shirt would be slightly here, and I can show that. So I can select the gallery. I can just come here. I can upload the files. I can just add the product in the gallery. So for gallery, let's just come here and let's add some of the images. So let's suppose this is my first one. This is my first one. This is my second one. Okay, let's hit open, and you can see these should be uploaded as well. Okay, you can see these are right here. Here we go. I'm just gonna hit add to gallery, and you can see these two products are right here. So these are the demo. Okay, and then we have this thing right here. This says the regular price, and then we have the sale price right here. Okay, so the regular price is going to be 25. And the sale price, we will be discussing it later on. So first we have to just enter the regular price right now. Okay, and then we have the product data. So it can be a simple product, grouped, affiliate, variable. So we will be discussing everything later on, okay, when we will go advanced. Okay, then we have the virtual products. So this is like they are intangible and cannot be shipped. So if you selected, the people don't have to enter the shipping address and something like that, and it will not be shipped. They are instantly delivered products. So you can also add a downloadable product like a software or anything, or here it would be for a service or something like that. So you can work with it. Okay, and then we have the short description right here below. So I'm going to add a short description. Let's just copy the lorem ipsum till here. I'm going to come here. I'm going to hit copy, and then I'm going to hit paste. Okay, and here we go. You can see everything is totally up and running, and this is our product right here. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit publish right now. Okay, and on publishing you can see that it says product published. So let's just go ahead, let's just visit our store and let's have a look at our shop right here. So you can see this is the first product that we have added, and congratulations guys, you can see this is the first ever product that we have added. If I just open it up, you can see this is how this product is looking. We have the images of the product. I can just click here, it's gonna zoom up. Okay, and then I have the whole gallery of the images that we have right here. So you can just add the gallery. Okay, this is the image that I just added to show you how the images work. Okay, so you can see the zooming functionality and everything as well. Here we have the price, and here we have the short description. Okay, and then we have the category, that is t-shirt, and then we have the text right here and the description. So if I just go to reviews right here, the people can also review this product and enter his review. Okay, so congratulations guys, we have added our first ever product. Okay, now we know how to add products. In the next video we will be working up with the settings of the WooCommerce, because they are very important and we have to understand each and every setting. I just wanted to spice it up, that is why I showed you that how can you add a product. Okay, and now you guys already know it, so do not just leave this course. These settings are really very important and you have to understand each and every settings. Okay, so make sure that you guys stick here, do not go anywhere, and then we will be learning how to add different type of products, how to add here options that people can select the color, people can select the size and everything. So there are so many things that we have to learn. We're not totally done. Okay, so in the next video we will be working up with that. Stay tuned guys, and I hope you like this video. Goodbye.